Okay friends, makeup is done, looking good. I mean, I almost broke my eye, but oh well. Let's go, let's get ready. We're getting very close to the Chanel boutique, and I cannot wait to see this Barbie S collection, the 24C collection, 24 cruise collection. Can you believe, guys? It's very colorful. So let's see what pieces they got. Look, they have the wheel that has the gradient color. Looks so beyond pretty. And look at these pieces. They look like sunsets. Oh, I see. I'm spotting the little bag with the sequins. You see it? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I think that's price upon request. These are some other pieces that are just like so beach vibes. Look at those belts. And here it is, the bag with a little coin star purse. They don't sell it separately though. These joggers are really pretty. The whole ensemble with the liners. And there you go, that big old bag. Look at the shoes. Oh my gosh. This bag, I just feel like it's too big. The bag again is hunting me. Okay, the colors. You can find a little bit of pastels. Do you see the boom bags? Those are gonna be very popular. Oh, look at this gorgeous cardigan. All the little sequins. Very colorful. I like the dress though. It's not a dress. What is it? Haha, the name. Those pants are so much fun. Lots of bags. Look at the clutch. I love the colors, pinks and yellows, and look at this bright pink Chanel 19 and roller skates. They are awesome. Actually, you can use the sneakers separately too, which I find them, amazing. I really like this bag, but not necessarily in black. It's a spacious, but they come in different colors, even on a tweed version. And then this is kind of like I think it's a phone case. It's not as expensive as other bags, and it's pretty spacious too. Very nice with an adjustable strap. Here's the boom bag that I was telling you. It comes in different colors, but they only had it in white. These sandals are just precious. I mean, I imagine myself at a resort, but look and see. Oh my gosh, these sneakers are so cute. This aqua, I think it will go perfect with pretty much anything. But then you have this beautiful shade of lavender, and then the pink ones, obviously Barbie style. Oh, let's see what else I find here. Oh, I remember these shoes. When I was 15 years old, I used to use them with some like very short skirts. I'm tempted. And this sandal is so cute too. I love the heel with the golden detail. I think they are super cute. And you spot that sandals at the bottom, they have them, they're black. But honestly, I don't want them in black. If anything, gold. Now, these sandals, I don't know, they look too chunky. Now, these shoes, I like them a lot. A little bit 50s, 60s. They still have these beauties that I'm still in love with them. But look at these. These are the it sandals for the 24C collection for sure. They look like sunsets, so beautiful. This bag looks very practical, and I love the chain. So pretty. These skates are exclusive to the Beverly Hills location, and they also have the skates in black and well, the white ones too, which are pretty. I think they're very pretty. Look at these. I don't know if it looks like a robe, to be honest with you, but it's very pretty. Now, Chanel 22, and this is the size medium in a very light pink. I like this ensemble too. It's really pretty. Look at this jacket. It's very different, but I love the sequins. So colorful, so detailed and pretty. But I don't know about the cut. Not much of the ones that I like. Now look what I found. These little bags, they are honestly a better value than buying a Chanel Classic bag. Very cushy though. Look at this bag, the Camellia bag with adjustable strap. I love this bag, it's so practical, and this yellow tone is super pretty too. Getting into the fitting room, look what I'm trying. Oh, these jackets are so gorgeous. The yellow, almost limey green one, it's very lightweight, perfect for spring and summer, super pretty, and this gorgeous pink jacket. Oh my gosh, the tweed is just perfection, and the cut is super unique. Yes. And the sneakers, they are actually very comfortable and super cute. I don't know which color to get. This mini rectangular tweed bag has my heart. Look at this black bag with the chain. It's so pretty and perfect size. I'm surprised they have a keychain wallet. These are so rare to find, and the color is really cute too. But look at this card holder with the rollerblades. All the jewelry from this collection pretty much has enamel, which is honestly not my favorite. This yellow classic flag with a duotone hardware is so pretty too. This bag has my heart. It's super pretty, chunky chain. It also comes in pink and I think it was turquoise. Even my husband liked it, which I thought it was like, what? Chanel said, quiet luxury, what's that? Look at this bag with the big old CC logo. My gosh, it's cute, but I think it's just perhaps too loud for me. These are the turquoise bags that I was talking about with wallet and chains. Really pretty, different.
Well, friends, they have some sort of event here in Rodeo Drive. A show, some lots of food trucks actually, and a lot of people strolling by. It looks very beautiful, and the weather is just perfect too. So this was a nice surprise. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, I got some items, so I'll do an unboxing soon.